In the event of a fall or a medical emergency, an emergency alert system can be a lifesaver, but recurring monthly service fees are costly. Alert Family First now lets families look out for each other and avoid expensive call center monitoring fees.
In our family, family always comes first. For us, Alert Family First was the perfect solution.
We have our 4 numbers plus 911 programmed into Mom's system. Mom can live the way she wants to, and we get
peace of mind with no monthly costs, no contracts, and no talking to strangers in call centers.
Who would you trust more to reassure your parent in an emergency and do all the right things right away?
It makes us all feel better.
Call Alert Family First today at 1-855-642-5378 or visit us at alertfamilyfirst.com.